Hello students, today in this session I want to show how to install Keil related software into your system. Okay, so if you have laptop or a PC, whether it is a Windows 7, Windows 10, so no problem. So any platform it will, Windows platform it will support. So first of all you need to download this folder. So I will, okay, so after downloading and extracting this folder, so this folder consisting of two different softwares. One is nothing but Proteus and one other is nothing but Keil. So here I want to tell about Keil first. So you need to install this MDK 531. Okay, so MDK 531 is a platform for ARM. So here we are going to do ARM programming. This is a platform. So in this, so here 8051 is not supported on this platform. So what we are installing here is nothing but it is not for 8051. So here these two are nothing but legacy supports. So this legacy support is for Cortex processors. Okay, so for Cortex processors that is nothing but ARM advanced processors it is. And one more thing is there, that is the legacy support for up to ARM 7. So these two are required for us. So first of all we need to install, double click on this. Maybe video maybe length because of you need to install step by step, that's why it is somewhat lengthy, but no problem. Anyhow you skip and see the video, okay, because I am going to upload in YouTube. Okay, so here you need to select directly ARM 8051, okay, as like version 531 ARM. So Keil 5, it is nothing but Keil 5 platform. So here you need to select same thing, so default only you need to give. So here you give some name like ECE, I am giving my last name is something. So choice is yours, company name is nothing. Okay, if you don't want give proper data also, no problem. Okay, so fill anything in that. This takes some time because we need to wait few minutes. Here we are going to work with two different process. Okay, one is nothing but LPC 2148, so that is the basic ARM 7, and one more thing we are going to work with LPC 1769. So LPC 2148, LPC 1769. So 1769 kit also available with us, hardware kit, and LPC 2148 also available. Okay, so programs are maximum same, but that is somewhat advanced processor. Okay, 1769 is somewhat advanced as compared to this thing. Okay, 1769. So this is the processor what you have. You need to wait, there is no choice for this. Okay, until installation completed you need to wait. So depends upon your processor speed it will. Okay, some systems may take 20 minutes, some systems may take 10 minutes, like that. So we are installing MDK 531, that is the base, that is the platform for ARM. there is no need of net. Once you downloaded these files, there is no need, net is not required anymore. If you have net, it will take some time extra, because it downloads some extra files to libraries and everything from the net. Okay, if you don't have net, no problem. If you have also, no problem. So here it asks for always trust the software from ARM. Yes, install. Simply you click on install. So 2-3 times it will ask like this, because the drivers, required drivers, it is installing. Okay, so here I don't want to see current version, and I don't want to see release notes. That's why I want to finish direct. Just I am finished here. So here it checks for certain updates. I don't worry about them. So okay, so I'm going to double click on this. First of all, I want to double click on this, because so entire support is worked or not, I want to check. For that purpose, I am double clicking on Keel Microvision 5 icon. Okay, it is not recommended for me, so no. Okay, so this is a well-known thing for you, so all of you know how to work with this. So go to this thing and project. So here project where I want to save. So simply I am taking my project name is first. I am showing it is not going to work right now, but what is the problem I want to show. Okay, save. So here packages. So no package is there, only some Cortex processors are there. If I check LPC, okay, LPC 2148, okay, 2148. So that is our device. So I can't find anything. Yes. So because here packages are also not there, LPC 2148 is also not there. So that means this is not for, okay, not created it. It is not worked. So that's why I want to stop this thing. Okay, so this is a package installer. It will do backend, no problem. You don't bother about that. So once again you go to your folder, software folder. So click on MDK CM525. Okay, MDK CM525. Okay, click on, double click on that. Okay, run. Here I am installing legacy drivers. Okay, legacy support for ARM, okay, ARM 7 and Cortex. So same thing. So I don't want to change, because already Keel platform is installed. Directly you need to press next like that. So you need not to give any name or anything. Okay, it is not different thing. The first one is the base. So after that, on that thing only I am installing certain software. That's why I don't bother about the next things. Okay, so this is the legacy support for our 80 ARM. Okay, so if you want 8051 also you can. So you need to select MDK from 8051 MDK. So put it the legacy support for MDK 51. So that is also possible. Okay, which support you want, that support you need to install. First we are installed ARM Keel. It is not a 8051 Keel, ARM Keel, and after that we are installing right now legacy support. There is no option, we need to wait certain time. Depends upon your processor speed, so or RAM speed, you need to must and should. Yeah, if you have any previous versions of Keel, just to uninstall it, then only it will work. Okay. Okay, here I don't want to show release notes and add examples. I don't want all these things. Okay, so once again I will check so whether it is suitable for my work or not. So click on Keel Microvision. Okay, so here project, so new Microvision project, so any name. So here I want to go legacy support, legacy device database. So here it is giving certain database, but I want to see LPC. Okay, so 2148. So not there. So LPC 2148 are not there. Next to LPC 17, okay, 69. So it is not. It is there. See. LPC 1769, it is there. Okay, so if I want to get that thing also, so LPC 2148 also, that is ARM7 based. This is ARM Cortex M processor, this one. So that's why it is high end. So this is same process I need to do one more time. So that is nothing but I need to install the third software also. So MDK 79525. So this one also I need to install. So this is for a ARM7. So up to ARM7. So all devices it will include. Okay. So this one also I require. So that's why I want to install same. Procedure is same. So simply I am clicking on next. Okay. So I installed first Keel, and after that I installed legacy support for Cortex M, and after that I installed legacy support for ARM7, okay, ARM7 to ARM9. So it is not related to Cortex M processor. Okay, so previous one is Cortex M. Okay, so this is the basic thing what you want to do to perform your lab. Okay, so this is the one software we installed already. So what is that? So first Keil platform, and after that, so Keil ARM platform. Okay, after that we installed legacy support for Cortex M. Okay, so next what you install? Legacy support for ARM 7. So these are the three required things we need to install. Okay, so order also you need to follow. Okay, in that order only you need to install. Okay, so once it is installed, you can find your device. Okay, in your project menu, so you can find your device. So that is nothing but one software installation is completed. So I will show that thing and I will stop the video. Thank you. Okay, so this is how to install in any platform like Windows or Linux or somewhere. So but maximum people are using Windows only. So it supports for 32-bit as well as 64-bit. Generally people are having 64-bit only. So whether it is Windows 10 or Windows 7, so no problem, but you need to follow the order. That's it. Okay, if you have laptop or a desktop, no problem. So this is the procedure. So how to install Keil. Okay, so release notes is not required for me. Finish. So now one software installation is completed. So we'll check whether it is LPC 2148 is there or not. So new project. So somewhere I am entering my project name. So here legacy software support. So software packs and legacy support. So in this LPC, so 2148. So it is there. See. So this is the ARM 7 based processor. So ARM 7 TDMI, okay, S based high performance 32-bit RISC microcontroller with Python. So previously it is not there because we installed the legacy support. So you got this thing. So our installation process is completed. So we'll see later. We will see how to use this thing in Proteus and everything. Okay, how to write programming, and I will explain one by one. Okay, thank you. So all of you, be free to ask questions. So if you have any questions or any doubts, so ask me. I will upload these all files into Google Drive. That drive link is pasted in Moodle. Thank you.